All right, so in this module 2, we will be building a questionnaire CLI agent where it's going to ask you questions based on the documents that you give it. So let us architect our solution. Let us see the flow before we actually build. So first, it's going to take our documents, okay, and let me just reduce this a bit. It's going to take our document. So we are going to have a folder of documents, PDF or TXT files, and we are going to give that to our agent to ask us question on. So after it takes our document, the next thing that it's going to do is that it is going to the AI agents will analyze the documents. Let me just reduce this, make this smaller. Yeah, so the AI agents would analyze the documents. It would read the content, get the length, and with the analysis it would generate questions. It generates questions based on the contents of the documents and the length of the documents. Just make this bigger. So it's going to generate questions based on the content of the document and the length of the document. Okay, no, sorry. After it analyzes the AI agent, it's going to the AI agent. The agent will decide on the number of questions to ask based on the contents and length of the documents. There's no wine content. So it's the AI agent will decide the number of questions to ask. This is where the autonomy would begin. So we are not going to instruct the agent on the number of questions that it should give us. Instead, we are saying, hey, these are my documents. Think of the number of questions on your own. Decide that on your own. Ask me the questions, and then I would answer the questions. So after this, the AI agents would display that after it had decided on the number of questions to ask, it will display the questions. It will display the question on the terminal, gets user's answer based on a particular question, then it would compare. Then it would then the agent will evaluate if the question is correct or not, and if it's not, it's going to tell the user that, hey, this answer you gave is not correct. Instead, this is the right answer. Like, it will give the user a hint, and this hints could either be based on the documents or it could be based on AI, because we are going to use this is an AI agent. So this is another form of autonomy here. So we are saying, hey, this is the answer to the question. Let me know if this is correct or not based on the documents that I fed you with. And after that, it's going to generate a summary of the questionnaire. I'm going to generate a summary of the questionnaire. And lastly, the agents will stop. So this is the architecture for our questionnaire agents. Let me just zoom that in and go through this one more time. So we're going to be giving our AI agent documents for the AI agent to use, and the AI agent will analyze those documents and decide on the number of questions to ask based on the content and based on the length of the documents. Then it's going to display the questions. It's to display one question at a time, and it's going to get the user answer. So when it's asks the question, like for example, what is 1 + 1, then it's going to take the user's answer and evaluate it and see if the user is actually correct, if their answer is the correct answer based on the content of the document or documents that we gave the AI. And then it's going to generate a summary at the end of the program, and then the AI agent would stop. So this is the flow of our AI agent. Let's get to building this.